How to order on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can order on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to place an order on DoorDash, all you have to do is open up the DoorDash application and just go to a certain things that you would like to order, let's say over here. So once you select a certain restaurant that you would like to place an order from, you can simply go ahead and then add the products that you want to buy or the food that you want to buy to your cart over here. Then once you have done this, I can just tap the add to cart option. It will basically take me to the checkout process from here, so I can review everything that I want. Then I can tap on the continue option. Then after I review and continue, I can simply start paying with credit or debit card, Google Pay, Cash App Pay, PayPal or Venmo. Once I confirm the order, my order will get successfully placed. And that's all it takes to order on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.